The Bentley Batur by Mulliner stands as a testament to impeccable engineering, craftsmanship, and attention to detail. The extensive whole vehicle development program that the Batur underwent is unmatched. With two cars combining for 58 weeks of durability work, this feat showcases the immense dedication and rigor Bentley has put into ensuring the car's longevity and dependability. From handling tracks to real-world road conditions, and from high-speed testing to grueling solar loading, the Bentley Batur has been tested under conditions most vehicles would never face in their lifetime. This indicates that the owners of this exquisite vehicle can expect an unmatched driving experience coupled with the assurance that their car is built to last. One of the hallmarks of the Bentley Batur is its powerful W12 engine, which is a tribute to Bentley's legacy and a nod to its future. With a peak output of 750 horsepower, this W12 engine is the most powerful ever to grace a Bentley, rendering the Batur the epitome of power among Bentley's illustrious lineup. The various enhancements and rigorous testing of over 100 weeks have ensured that this power is seamlessly harnessed to offer a driving experience that is as exhilarating as it is refined. The state-of-the-art chassis, equipped with features such as speed-tuned air suspension, electric active anti-roll control, limited slip differential, four-wheel steering, and torque vectoring, enhance the Batur's performance to levels previously unknown in a Grand Tourer. Beyond the durability, what truly makes the Bentley Batur by Mulliner special is its exclusive and opulent craftsmanship. With more than 800 parts exclusive to Batur, each handcrafted to the highest standards, the level of customization and luxury in this vehicle is unprecedented. The materials used in the Batur's construction are sustainable, yet do not compromise on quality. Furthermore, the finishes like the purple sector on Car 0 and Marina Teal on the engineering Car 00, along with the one-off LED headlamp units, exemplify the unique character and elegance that each Batur possesses. Only 18 Bentley Batur vehicles will be produced, and each will be as unique as its owner. The extremely limited production numbers underline the exclusivity of this Grand Tourer. Each owner will work closely with Mulliner's in-house design team, personalizing almost every surface of the Batur. This level of co-creation ensures that each car is a true reflection of its owner's personality and preferences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.